Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of settings on the application of Rapid TV. You will click on settings here. Here in this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will click on Rapid TV. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to this sign, you will click to turn on, and then we'll turn off your remote. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.